In today's video, we are going to cook sweets, okay?
And we're gonna make food after we eat our sweets. You could have any food you want. First, we're gonna make a faint bread, oatmeal, faint black or beans on strawberries to the cake on chair to aid. Now it's done. Now let's put it on our heater and so it can cook. It's done. And now we're making a sandwich. Bread, baby. It's a.
Okay, show me your bread.
And our bread here, we have
What's the color of the bread?
purple.
Purple.
And so we are making a bread fine knife etch into chair, Play-Doh, hay, green, etch, black.
That's orange.
And orange and black.
Okay.
Now it's done. Now let's put it in our heater.
Okay.
It's done.
Yeah.
Put it in here. The paint. And we're gonna make a shakai with cheer cream.
With binta.
And put it in my hand. And shaking.
So how many shakoy do you have right now?
One, two.
Two only?
Yeah.
How about puto?
We don't have puto.
How
Let's
about
crush it.
soman?
We don't have suman. I just lost it.
You lost the suman?
Yeah.
I love suman. How about binaki?
I was on the wall. I just cannot get it when I throw balls out there.
Okay.
So pink cat is on here. I did not lost the bean cat. Also two bean cats, guys. And
okay,
also
sure. That's a shakoy. That is a shakoy.
and no, these are bean cat. And these are shakoy. We made it into the heater. And then we put it here. And then we're gonna make another one. We're gonna make a vegetable fruit mix orange.
Okay, you have your own recipe?
Yeah.
Good job, Jeff.
On the recipe. And on recipe.
Mm-hmm.
On recipe. And recipe. I'm just ready for a recipe.
You make a recipe already?
Not yet. It's not cooked yet. You do like this and put it like roll. See? That thing's rolled in a pie and then stay on time. It's done. Now put it right next to the fish bread. Fresh bread.
So what's the color?
Purple.
Okay, your fresh bread is purple.
And also we have a plate art.
Fish balls.
That's good. We cook fish bread.
Fish bread? I
Yeah.
thought you say fresh bread.
Fresh bread?
Fresh bread is delicious.
Yeah. And also, we're gonna cook Shaq eat Mom S water. Let's put some water. Load of water. Now the sea is swimming. Swimming! Now put the shack away.
Okay.
Well, now it's good. Now our shakoi is moving so much better. And also, we could fast Philippines at it.
Okay.
And now let's cook this. Now we will put. Now let's make a circle.
You drop it. So what is that?
It's a circle.
Circle.
I should make circle. I'm making the tree. I am Jeff. I am Jeff. Jeoph. And also I talk to my friends. Anyway, we are talking any days. And hi friends, we're gonna make a shack eats on bread we are making.
How about, okay.
Put some butter, shackoi, and it's swimming. Now let's put it in my hand.
Oh, it's so hot.
It's cold now.
It is cold.
Yeah.
It's hot.
Cold. It was really hot. I just put it. That was really hot. That was really close too.
Oh.
I just cook anything I like. Now let's cook. Anyway, this is meat.
So you're cooking meat now?
Yeah. It's
Okay.
sweets.
Sweets.
It's too hard. Well, it's not hard.
These
are for dogs.
Okay.
I'll put outside.
So you want to feed the dog?
Yeah, this dog. This is the dog he wants to eat.
So what you gonna do right now?
We're making shack and meat
Okay.
with shrimp and lights.
Okay.
Make it. No. Put some water. Now it's done. Now to put the shack away.
So the shako is there.
Yeah. Let's see worms.
So that's your shakoi.
That's warming up. That's warming up. This is for cats. Cats
Okay.
like it. Yeah.
Cat.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cat likes it. When you take the cat food away, eat it all. So I cooked this. Well, it's not cooked, but with the return to meat. Well, these are for us.
Mm-hmm.
Meaning these are for book to read.
Okay.
But these are food. Dad, put some water. Now let's put in the heater. That's warming up. Bye, friends.